whatever that aesthetic appearance is there here, color is there. So, whatever you are observing through your naked eyes, that is like one of the probably specifications you are considering, and that is protected by one of the type of intellectual property, that is a industrial design. Let us see another example, that is from the we can say the automobile. And when we talk about automobile, you can see the different types of designs, different type of car designs, and yes, depending on the color, that car design, you, that is one of the again criteria, important criteria you can say, when you are choosing that particular product, right? And definitely when that manufacturer or a creator, when they are doing this activity of manufacturing of that product, obviously that perspective of consumer, that perspective of a customer is taken into consideration, and dedicated department is taking care of